Popular Kikuyu comedian Muthee Kihenjo, real name Joel Mungai, has quit the Mediamax owned Kameme FM. Kihenjo, who was a pioneer of Kikuyu comedy from the 90s, has not resumed work after holidays. Kihenjo brings the mid-morning show Canjamuka with the bubbly Muthee Kihenjo. Wapi or Baby Tops, as she is known by her listeners, unceremoniously resigned late last year, but she later reconsidered the decision. There have been issues mainly touching on salaries that were cut during the COVID time, and the station had failed to reinstate it. His show Joel Kihenjo also got a slot to be at Kameme TV, having started as a segment on radio. From the days of selling discs to the internet taking over, Kihenjo still remains to be relevant and not left behind, as he has got his own YouTube channel and social media accounts with massive followers. His show is among the top listened shows in the central region of Kenya. The station has replaced him with Mangaka of the Timbai, real name Francis Njenga. Kihenjo has managed to keep his personal life out of the public's eyes, and he has never publicly shared about his wife or children. You may hear him mentioning Majangwa, who happens to be his wife in the comedy show, during the radio shows.